Welcome to Prime Picks Lab. The best wrinkle creams is probably one of the most sought-after solutions in the skincare world. As we age, the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines becomes a common concern, and the market is flooded with products promising to turn back the clock. But how do you navigate this vast landscape and find the cream that truly delivers? In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of wrinkle creams, exploring what makes them effective and helping you choose the right one for your skin. Number 5. L'Oréal Paris Collagen Daily Face Moisturizer. This daily moisturizer provides your skin with a burst of hydration. It helps to diminish the appearance of lines and wrinkles, leaving your skin feeling smoother and more plump. Use it day and night to replenish your skin's moisture. This lightweight, non-greasy formula absorbs quickly, leaving no sticky residue. Whether you have sensitive skin or not, this moisturizer is designed for you. It delivers essential hydration, promoting a healthier and more youthful complexion. Experience noticeable results in just weeks. After 1 week, your skin will feel smoother, and after 4 weeks, wrinkles will appear less visible. Give your skin the daily dose of hydration it craves. This anti-aging cream helps keep your skin healthy and radiant. Start with a cleanser, then use an eye cream, and finish with this moisturizer. It's the perfect way to kickstart your skincare routine. What we like. This cream provides intense hydration, making your skin feel smoother and plumper. It's also suitable for sensitive skin, so it's a great choice if you have dry or easily irritated skin. If you are looking for a daily moisturizer that delivers deep hydration and helps reduce the appearance of wrinkles, you should consider this. What people say. It definitely leaves skin supple, hydrated, and fills the lines and wrinkles. My skin immediately looked and felt more hydrated, firm and plump full. The lotion goes on so nice and smooth and is not sticky at all. Number 4. Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Face Moisturizer. Introducing Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Face Moisturizer. This daily anti-aging cream is designed to combat fine lines, wrinkles, and dark spots. It's formulated to help you achieve a more youthful appearance. With just 1 jar, you can reverse up to 7 years of visible skin aging. The cream's formula includes hyaluronic acid, which helps to hydrate and rejuvenate your skin. You'll notice a difference in the appearance of wrinkles. This moisturizer features an accelerated retinol complex. It visibly renews skin texture and evens your skin tone. It also helps to smooth the look of fine lines, giving you a more radiant complexion. Clinically proven to smooth fine lines in just 1 week and fade wrinkles in 4 weeks. This cream is effective for both your face and neck. Use it daily for the best results. Neutrogena Face Moisturizer is expertly formulated to maximize results while minimizing irritation. It provides a skincare solution to help you achieve and maintain healthy, hydrated skin. Make it a part of your daily routine. What we like. This product uses retinol to target wrinkles and fine lines, and hyaluronic acid to hydrate your skin. You can see visible results in just a few weeks. If you are looking for a powerful anti-aging cream that delivers fast results, you should consider this. What people say. The wrinkles, in particular my forehead, have literally diminished. With consistent nightly use, this rapid repair has changed the appearance of my skin. I love this product. It reduces fine line and wrinkles. Number 3. Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Moisturizer SPF 30. This is the upgraded Rapid Wrinkle Repair. It's designed to help you fight fine lines and dark spots. It's a great addition to your daily skincare routine. This moisturizer features retinol, a dermatologist-proven ingredient. It also contains hyaluronic acid to hydrate and rejuvenate your skin. It's a powerful combination. In just 1 week, you'll see improved skin clarity. After 4 weeks, it will reduce the look of fine lines and dark spots. You will love the results. It includes broad-spectrum SPF 30 sunscreen. This helps protect your skin from sun damage and prevent sunburn. Use it daily for the best results. This formula is dermatologist tested and is the #1 retinol brand used most by dermatologists. It's formulated without parabens, mineral oil, and dyes. It's perfect for your at-home self-care. What we like. This cream combines retinol with SPF 30, protecting your skin from sun damage while fighting wrinkles. The dermatologist-tested formula ensures effectiveness. If you like a product that simplifies your routine by combining anti-aging and sun protection, you should consider this. What people say. It makes my skin so soft, shows less wrinkles and fine lines, and just plain feels good going on. I've used the product for about a week now. The first thing I noticed was that my skin felt tighter, all day and night, and smoother. I have been using it for nearly a year now, and am surprised every day by the positive results. Odorless, not oily, softens and clears the skin while protecting it from the sun. Number 2. Neutrogena Triple Age Repair Night Cream. Introducing Neutrogena Triple Age Repair Night Cream. This cream is designed to help you wake up with smoother, more radiant skin. It works overnight to rejuvenate your skin. This anti-aging cream is clinically proven to reduce the appearance of wrinkles. You can see the difference in as little as 4 weeks. It helps to smooth your skin while you sleep. Infused with vitamin C, this cream helps to even out your skin tone. It gently reduces the look of dark spots. The result is a more radiant complexion. Formulated with glycerin and shea butter, this night cream deeply moisturizes. It works while you sleep to improve the look and feel of your skin. Wake up with hydrated skin. Featuring hexanol technology, this cream boosts your skin's ability to improve its appearance. It visibly improves firmness, revealing smoother and younger-looking skin. Incorporate it into your nightly routine. For optimal results, apply this cream evenly over your face and neck every night. Use it after cleansing to deeply moisturize and revive your skin. Try this night cream as part of your skincare routine. What we like. This night cream uses vitamin C to even out skin tone and works overnight to deeply moisturize. It also helps firm your skin, giving you a more youthful appearance. If you are looking for a night cream that tackles multiple signs of aging while you sleep, you should consider this. What people say. Your face looks refreshed and soft. Wrinkles get discreet. It's not greasy. It soaks in quickly and leaves my skin visibly smoother. Number 1. VELAMO Advanced Retinol Face Stick. Introducing the VELAMO Advanced Retinol Face Stick, a multi-treatment balm designed to transform your skin. This product works wonders, smoothing, brightening, and tightening your skin for a more youthful appearance. It's an effective solution for those seeking an anti-aging boost. Experience visible results in just 4 to 6 weeks with this anti-aging face cream. It combines the power of retinol with other age-defying ingredients. You'll notice smoother, firmer, and brighter skin with reduced fine lines and wrinkles. This is the ultimate skincare solution for busy people. Simply swipe the stick over your face, and you're done. The stick form allows for even and precise application, making it perfect for your evening routine or a quick touch-up during the day. It's made with natural, plant-based ingredients that are gentle on your skin and the planet. This includes retinol, jojoba oil, palm oil, squalane, and astaxanthin, which moisturize, nourish, and brighten your skin. It's also cruelty-free, vegan, and gluten-free. We take pride in our products and stand by every one. Our customer service team is always here to help with any issues. Contact us anytime for assistance with this product. What we like. This retinol cream comes in a convenient stick form for easy and precise application. It's made with vegan and clean ingredients, making it a great choice for those who prefer natural skincare. If you like a simple, effective, and eco-friendly anti-aging solution, you should consider this. What people say. The VELAMO Advanced Retinol Eye Balm is a game-changer for those looking to target fine lines, dark circles, and puffiness around the eyes. Formulated with retinol and other nourishing ingredients, this eye balm works to smooth and hydrate the delicate skin under the eyes while promoting a more youthful appearance. The balm has a rich, non-greasy texture that absorbs quickly, leaving the skin feeling soft and refreshed. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.